Transform your ideas into stunning videos with Higgsfield AI, your shortcut to effortless visual storytelling. Let's dive into creating your first video with Higgsfield AI. The journey begins by crafting the perfect prompt. Think of this as describing your ideal scene to an artist. Be specific about the action, the mood, the aesthetic, and even the camera angles you envision. For instance, instead of just a dog running, try a golden retriever joyfully sprinting through a sun-drenched meadow, captured with a sweeping drone shot. Once your prompt is ready, it's time to fine-tune the AI settings. Higgsfield offers various parameters to sculpt your video's output. You'll find options to adjust the visual style, perhaps something cinematic, illustrative, or abstract. Experiment with the level of detail, the color palette, and even the motion intensity. These adjustments are crucial for aligning the AI's generation with your unique creative vision. After inputting your refined prompt and adjusting the AI settings, hit that generate button. Higgsfield AI will then work its magic, transforming your text into dynamic video content. This automated process allows you to quickly iterate and see your concepts come to life without hours of manual editing. But the process doesn't end with the initial generation. Post-processing is where you can elevate your Higgsfield created video. Even subtle enhancements can make a big difference. Consider adding background music that complements the mood, overlaying text for context, or making minor color corrections to ensure visual consistency. Higgsfield AI makes these refinements accessible, allowing you to polish your final output for maximum impact. So there you have a streamlined approach to video creation. Master the art of the prompt, leverage Higgsfield's AI settings, and apply simple post-processing techniques to unlock a world of efficient and impactful video production. Start creating today.